After we learn how to upload the image into VistaCreate, now I want to guide you another easy method to bring another image into our design by using copy and paste. Assume then this is the image we are unable to locate in VistaCreate library, and I found it at one of the website called unsplash.com. I can always right click on this image, copy the image, go back into my VistaCreate design, click on the Ctrl V button. Ctrl V basically just to paste the image over here. So as we can see, the image already pasted here. It also automatically uploaded over here without required to click the upload button and manually select the file and upload here. This is how simple way we use copy and paste method to upload image in VistaCreate.